Hello friends, I am Jenny from Ains Boutique. Our shop is located in Kerala. It's on the way to Munnar. So please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon. So then only you will get all notifications in our video. In today's video, we are going to show pure Deshi Tussar sarees with embroidery work. In border, there is a contrast embroidery work, and in body, it's self-tone embroidery work. Rate of these sarees are 8,750. So these are pure Deshi Tussar sarees. This is the body of the saree. These sarees are there in our website. Our website link is ainsboutique.com. So this is the saree. This is the pallu. It's look so beautiful. And body of the saree. This is the body of the saree. All over the body there is a self thread weave design. 8,750. When we take the pleats, so the lower the work is there on the in the lower half. The upper half is plain. And in blouse also there is a sleeve and embroidery work on blouse. Self thread embroidery work on blouse. These are pure Deshi Tussar sarees. So these sarees you can purchase through our WhatsApp or through our websites, and the rate of these sarees are 8,750. So this is the first color. It's an yellow tone. Contrast color is an yellow tone. Another saree is the same pattern, but only the color border color is different. This is a lavender purple tone. Lavender purple tone. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu. Blouse same. Same self color thread weave on blouse sleeve and same design on all the sarees. Same design. First saree I have shown the design. That same design will come in all the sarees. Third saree is a blue and grey combination. Navy blue and a bluish grey combination. Very rich pallu. These sarees are suitable for every occasion, so you can use all the occasions. You can use as a marriage or baptism, holy communion, housewarming, all the functions you can use these sarees. Next color comes a brown. It's not exactly a brown, it's like a one dark tone and a lighter tone. This is the pallu. Embroidery design is same in all the sarees, only the thread color is different. And another one is the pink tone, pink, baby pink and little more darker pink, baby pink and blouse, sorry, pallu. Blouse, all the sarees, blouse, the same design blouse will come in all the sarees. Cost of these sarees are 8,750. These all are pure Deshi Tussar sarees. So if you want to purchase these sarees, you can send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 9074244276. And also you can purchase it through the website. Our website link is ainsboutique.com. So you can directly in Google you can search ainsboutique.com. So you can directly purchase from our website also. So please subscribe our channel and share our channel. Press the bell button. When you click the bell button, there are many options, all personalized, like there are options will come. In that you press the all option, then only you will get all notifications we are uploading in our channel. Thank you. We will see you with another video.